Breaking news. As President Donald Trump issues executive orders recognizing only two genders in the United States, male and female, sweeping changes are taking place. This action represents a dramatic change in the nation's policies, as does the termination of diversity, equity, and inclusion initiatives within federal agencies. This action represents a dramatic change in the nation's policies, as does the termination of diversity, equity, and inclusion initiatives within federal agencies. Go back to President Trump's inauguration speech. He is the 47th person to occupy this prestigious position. His administration's declaration that it would only recognize male and female genders was a significant shift from the practices of the previous Democratic administration. Trump's pledges to reverse policies like mass deportations, eliminate birthright citizenship for migrant children, and withdraw from the Paris Agreement exposed his vision of a meritocracy-based society. His pledge to lead the U.S. to Mars and restore its global reputation was as audacious as it was ambitious. Fast forward to the signing of the executive orders. The U.S. government will henceforth recognize only two biological sexes, male and female. Diversity, equity, and inclusion programs within federal agencies will cease. The term sex will replace gender on government-issued identification documents. Taxpayer funds will no longer cover gender transition healthcare, and privacy in single-sex spaces will be mandated. Additionally, this administration is targeting what it claims are discriminatory DEI practices in government agencies. Critics counter that these measures might result in prejudice and hinder attempts to promote gender and racial equality. LGBTQ advocates have expressed concerns about potential immediate impacts on transgender individuals, such as challenges with travel and access to services. Court challenges to the executive orders are expected. These actions align with Trump's campaign promises to combat what conservatives view as woke culture and transgender rights expansion. The controversy sparked by these orders has ignited a debate on the impact on marginalized communities and gender identity recognition. As we recap, the new law asserts that the U.S. government will recognize only two genders, male and female. DEI programs within federal agencies have been halted. This rule might have a wide range of effects, from healthcare coverage and privacy in single-sex settings to government-issued identification cards. Critics anticipate legal challenges to the decrees and fear losses in attempts to promote gender and racial equality. The future of LGBTQ+ rights in the United States hangs in the balance as the nation grapples with these sweeping changes. As the debate continues, the world watches and waits to see the long-term effects of these executive orders. It's a bold new era in American politics, one that will undoubtedly shape the course of the nation in the years to come. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more news.